Good morning, Year 5. It's Monday the 8th of February and we are back doing maths this week, and today we are identifying equivalent fractions represented using tenths, hundredths and a thousandths. Nice little walk for you there. Okay, so first of all, I've drawn some 100 squares. This one I split into tens, okay? And I have said I've shaded 3/10 because 3 of those 10 bars I have shaded. Over here, this 100 square is in blocks of 100. There's 100 little squares within my big square. And I have coloured the same amount, so it's the equivalent fraction coloured. But because this time we're looking at the individual squares, it's actually 3 rows of 10. So I have coloured 30 out of 100, so 30 100ths are shaded. Now, I realised I was going to split this one and show you thousands, but that would be really tricky on paper this small, squares are small. But if this was split into 1,000 boxes, 300 of those shaded would be the same as 3/10 or 30 hundredths, okay? So for our do it, we are circling the fractions that are equivalent fractions to the first ones in the row, okay? So I have 50 100ths. So I remember from up here that 50 100ths would be equivalent to 5/10. So I'm going to circle that one. Not equivalent to 5 100ths because that would only be 5 little squares on here rather than 5 whole rows. So no, I'm not going to do that one. And 500,000 would be similar to this if I had divided this big square into 1,000, so that would be equivalent. So I'm going to circle that one. 3/10, well, this is an improper fraction, so it can't be that one. 3 little parts of 1,000 can't be that one. So I know that 30 hundredths is the same as 3/10. And 800 1,000 would equal 80 100ths and 8/10, but not 18 100ths. That's a different fraction altogether.